Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check if someone is using your Instagram account or not. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram. Once you open it, you need to simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner, and after you have done this, you need to tap on the three lines which looks like a hamburger on the top right hand side of the corner. After doing this, all you gotta do now is simply scroll down and tap on Account Center. After doing this, you need to simply scroll and go to Password and Security. There you can find the option called Login Alerts, or where you are logged in. So simply tap on it, and there you can see that if anyone has logged in into your account, you will get alerts about it, which will directly or indirectly help you to find out if someone is checking on or you are using your Instagram account. So this way you can check if someone is using your Instagram account or not. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.